Well, did you ever feel this situation and you said to yourself, wait a minute, my property taxes went up again, I am retired, my income did not go up, so how is this happening? You open the envelope from the county, you stare at the new assessed value, and you feel that quiet pressure in your chest. You worked 40 years to pay off this house. Now every spring the tax bill feels heavier, and somewhere in the back of your mind you heard there is a senior property tax freeze, but you assumed it was automatic, or you assumed you did not qualify, or you assumed you had more time. What if I told you that in many states, spring is the deadline window, and if you miss it, you may wait an entire year for relief? Bear with me until the end, because I will give you a simple checklist you can screenshot to make sure you do not miss your local deadline. Rules change fast. I track the deadlines so you do not have to. Like and subscribe to the Senior Alert channel so you never miss a critical date that could cost you money. Before we begin, this video is for educational purposes only. My name is Judith Carver. I am not a lawyer, and laws can vary by state. My goal is to help you understand the situation calmly so you can make informed decisions. And always remember, our rights do not expire with age. Now let us talk about what is really happening. Across the country, many senior property tax freeze programs have spring application deadlines. And if you miss yours, you may wait an entire tax year before you see relief. This is where it gets serious. A freeze does not always mean your taxes go to zero. It usually means your assessed value is locked at a certain level, so future increases do not raise your bill beyond that base. But here's the part most people never notice. In many counties, you must apply. And in some counties, you must renew every year with updated income information. Missing the deadline is not just paperwork, it is money. It can mean waiting an entire year for relief while your tax bill climbs. And stay with me until the very end, because I am going to organize this into a clear checklist and show you how to find your county-specific deadline step by step, county by county. So you are not guessing, so you are not relying on rumors, so you know exactly where to look and what to file. Let me show you how this plays out in real life. Mary is 72. She lives in Florida. Her home value jumped dramatically over the past few years. She heard about a senior exemption, but assumed her standard homestead exemption covered everything. She did not realize that additional senior exemptions in many Florida counties must be filed by March 1st with the county property appraiser. March 1st passed. She called in April. They told her she could apply next year. That one missed deadline cost her hundreds of dollars. She did not see this coming. Now let us move to Texas. If you are over 65 in Texas, you may qualify for a homestead exemption that can freeze certain school district taxes. But generally, you must file with your local appraisal district, often before April 30th. That is not a federal rule. That is local. And here is the detail many retirees miss. Even if you qualified last year, certain changes in income, ownership, or residence can require updated filings. Pause for a moment. When was the last time you checked with your appraisal district? In Illinois, there is something called a Senior Assessment Freeze Homestead Exemption. It can freeze the equalized assessed value of your home if you meet income limits. But here's the quiet detail. Many counties require annual renewal, often in the spring, and you must verify household income. If your income creeps above the threshold, you may lose eligibility. And if you forget to renew, the freeze can lapse. The brutal truth is that the notice may look like ordinary mail. It may not scream urgent, and that is how seniors lose benefits. In New York, senior exemptions and assessment freezes are administered locally. Many municipalities use March 1st as a filing deadline, but not all. Some towns require in-person paperwork. Some require proof of age and income. Some require recertification. Here's where it gets interesting. If your local government opted into expanded senior relief rules, the exemption percentage may increase, but only if you applied properly. Most people never notice that local opt-in matters. California is different. There is no simple statewide freeze like in some other states, but there are property tax relief programs and base year value transfer rules for certain seniors. Filing deadlines vary by county. That means you cannot rely on what your neighbor in another county tells you. You must verify locally. Do not let assumptions cost you. Now listen carefully. The biggest myth I see every year is this. Seniors believe that once they turn 65, the freeze happens automatically. In most jurisdictions, that is not true. Age alone does not trigger the benefit. An application does. Documentation does. Income qualification does. This is the part nobody talks about. Counties do not chase you down to give you relief. The burden is on you to apply. Here is a gentle reality check. If your property value has increased significantly over the last 3 to 5 years and you are on a fixed income, you cannot afford to ignore this. Property taxes are tied to assessed value. When assessments rise, taxes often follow. A freeze locks in a base year value, but only if you secure it. Watch this carefully. Even if you already have a freeze, some programs require you to notify the assessor if you move, transfer ownership, refinance in certain ways, or change how the property is titled. Adding a child to the deed without checking the rules can sometimes reset the assessment. He did not see this coming. She did not see this coming, and the tax bill changed. Now, I told you at the beginning that I would give you a checklist. Stay with me, because in the final minutes, I will walk you through exactly what to look up, what to call, and what to screenshot so you can protect yourself. Before we get there, let us talk about income limits. Many senior freezes are income-based. That means your eligibility may depend on your household income from the prior tax year. Social Security, pensions, required minimum distributions, even part-time work can affect qualification. Here is where it gets complicated. Income thresholds can change from year to year. What disqualified you 3 years ago may not disqualify you now, or the reverse. That is why checking every spring matters. Another pattern I see is paperwork fatigue. Seniors receive renewal forms and assume it is optional. It is not. Some counties treat failure to return renewal documentation as voluntary withdrawal. The freeze disappears, the next tax cycle arrives, and only then do you realize something changed. Let me ask you something directly. Have you physically called your county property appraiser or assessor in the last 12 months to confirm your status? Not assumed, not guessed, confirmed. If not, that call may be worth hundreds or thousands of dollars over time. Now here is the promise I made. Take a screenshot of this when I finish reading it. This is your spring senior property tax freeze checklist. First, confirm your state and county program name. Property tax freezes and senior exemptions are administered locally, not federally. Go directly to your county property appraiser, assessor, or appraisal district website. Use search terms like senior assessment freeze, senior homestead exemption, over 65 exemption, or property tax relief for seniors. Do not rely on third-party websites. Program names vary widely, even within the same state. Second, verify the filing deadline. Many senior exemptions require initial filing by March 1st or April 30th, but deadlines differ by county. Some areas allow late filing for limited good cause, others do not. Check whether the deadline applies to new applications, renewals, or both. Third, confirm whether annual renewal and income documentation are required. Some programs automatically continue, but many require yearly income verification. Failure to return renewal forms can cancel the freeze. Fourth, Review current income thresholds for eligibility in 2026. Income limits often include Social Security, pensions, retirement withdrawals, and sometimes household income of all residents. Thresholds can change annually. Fifth, confirm your property title has not changed. Adding a child to the deed, transferring ownership into a trust, or refinancing may affect eligibility. Even small ownership changes can reset assessments in certain states. Sixth, ask whether expanded senior exemptions have been adopted locally. Some state laws authorize higher exemption percentages, but counties or municipalities must opt in. Availability may depend on local budgets. Seventh, request written confirmation of your status. Ask for email or mail documentation confirming your exemption, freeze base year, and renewal requirements. Written records protect you if billing errors occur. Pause this video, screenshot this checklist, rewatch this section if needed. This is how you protect yourself. Now here is the final piece. Rules change fast. County boards vote. State legislatures adjust income limits. Exemptions expand or contract. If you assume last year's rule is still valid, you may miss an update. I track these deadlines so you do not have to. Like and subscribe to the Senior Alert Squad so you never miss a critical date that could cost you money. I can continue providing information most seniors are coping with right now. If you are watching this and thinking, I hope I did not miss my deadline, do not panic. Call your assessor. Ask if late filing is allowed for good cause. Some jurisdictions permit limited late applications with explanation, but do not delay. Every week matters in spring. And I want you to know this. I read all comments and emails personally. If you are unsure which office to contact, tell me your state in the comments. I cannot give legal advice, but I can point you toward the right public agency to start with. Spring deadlines move quickly, envelopes get lost, assumptions cost money, but information gives you control. Remember this, property taxes do not freeze themselves. Applications protect you, deadlines matter, verification matters, rules change fast. I track the deadlines so you do not have to. Like and subscribe to the Senior Alert Squad so you never miss a critical date that could affect your finances. And always remember, our rights do not expire with age.